Yo, what's up, everybody? Ron is awesome here. Actually, I just want to just show you something really quick. So this is not a fidget spinner. So guys, really trust me. This is not a fidget spinner.
Wait, it says press me.
It's just try me. It can spin. It can spin for a long time. So so they call this a super spinner. So this is a super spinner. And let me open this part now.
It's for 8 plus. It says 8 plus.
I know it's for 8 years old, so it doesn't matter on me.
Yeah.
Even though I'm 11 years old, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
You know my other you know my fidget spinner videos.
Let me pick it up. Ooh.
Hold on, this thing fell off.
Oh, it's on the back. I wonder
I'm
why.
gonna put this on.
Oh, can I spin it?
So a fidget spinner
Look,
like doesn't spin like hold on, stop.
Wow.
So a fidget spinner doesn't spin like by itself. But look how much like even though it can count a second, but it's gonna take like a long time. So guys, warning, this is not a fidget spinner. It's a super fidget spinner. So we'll just stop it right there because
Hi.
but wait, stop, no, not yet. Like and look, it's not like around two. The spinner's like it could spin like way longer than the other fidget spinners. Alright guys, so bye guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. I want you all hit the like button and subscribe, turn on notifications, and also leave a comment below. So bye.